There's something undeniably inviting about a rustic bathroom. It's a space where you can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and indulge in a moment of tranquility. Today, we're diving into the world of rustic bathroom design, exploring how to create a cozy and charming retreat right in your own home. From the warmth of natural materials to the charm of vintage accents, we'll inspire you to transform your bathroom into a personal sanctuary. The heart of a rustic bathroom lies in its ability to evoke a sense of warmth and comfort. To achieve this, let's start with the basics. Incorporate natural materials like wood and stone into your design. Think of a weathered wooden vanity, a stone countertop, or even exposed brick walls. These elements bring a genuine rustic feel to the space. Don't be afraid to mix and match textures for added depth and character. Choosing the right color palette is crucial for creating a rustic ambiance. Opt for earthy tones like browns, greens, and creams. These colors evoke a sense of tranquility and harmony. Complement these hues with natural materials like rattan, wicker, or jute for added texture and warmth. Consider incorporating elements like woven baskets or wooden crates for storage solutions that blend seamlessly with the rustic aesthetic. Adding vintage accents can elevate your rustic bathroom to new heights. Look for antique mirrors, salvaged wood, or vintage-inspired lighting fixtures to infuse your space with character. Don't be afraid to get creative with DIY projects. Repurpose an old ladder into a towel rack or create custom wood wall art. These personal touches will make your bathroom truly unique. Transform your bathroom into a personal oasis by incorporating spa-like elements. A freestanding bathtub is the ultimate luxury. Add plush towels, scented candles, and soft lighting to create a serene atmosphere. Consider incorporating indoor plants for a touch of nature. Remember, less is more when it comes to creating a relaxing space. A rustic bathroom is more than just a place to get ready. It's a retreat where you can unwind and recharge. By incorporating natural materials, earthy tones, and vintage accents, you can create a space that is both stylish and inviting. Remember, the key to a successful rustic bathroom is to create a warm and cozy atmosphere. Let your imagination run wild and transform your bathroom into a sanctuary you'll love. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home decor inspiration. We'll be sharing more design ideas and DIY projects to help you create your dream home.